you may miss out on the opportunity to stay ahead. In this demonstration, I will show you how text can be transformed into a video using AI. Using AI to convert text into videos is a game changer when it comes to creating instructional content. Imagine being able to generate engaging videos without the need for extensive filming or editing. With AI, you can do just that. This is extra text you can add for the digital avatar. Cool, huh? So how does it work? Well, the process is quite simple. First, you input your text into the AI tool. Then, the tool analyzes the content and generates a video script based on the text. After that, it uses the power of AI to create a digital version of yourself or any other character you desire.
The result is impressive. You can have a virtual representation of yourself explaining concepts, demonstrating techniques, or narrating a story. It's like having your own virtual video presenter at your disposal. Inspire one person at a time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Inspire one person at a time.